How long will this agreement last, and what's the long-term vision for the partnership?
This agreement will last for 2 years, this particular agreement, but I believe they would be very glad to extend that after that 2 years. And the thing that we are actually looking forward to is to strengthen the people's vision, or say their intention of being a member of Pag-ibig loyalty cards. We want them to realize na hindi lang, kasi I'm hearing some comments from Pag-ibig Fund members na kung hindi naman ako ma-approve dyan mga ganon. Ngayon, being the partner of Pag-ibig, we will have a way to make them see what is the real mission of Pag-ibig Fund. Kasi dun sa mga magiging campaigns natin and magiging activities is more on educational and letting the people be aware of what Pag-ibig Fund is and vice versa. Dun sa mga activities din ni Pag-ibig Fund, we want to reach out to their members to tell that Miradal is here to give an exempt accommodation. Kasi nga, our tagline is where service and comfort meet. Binding with the mission of Pag-ibig to give decent shelter. So not only a house or a home, but it is a home away from their homes.